Hello, listeners. Today I'm going to describe my cooking experience in 2 minutes. You can be fluent in English if you describe any of your favorite cuisine, your favorite dish. Here I will describe you. Have to take milk and semolina and mix it well and leave almost half an hour. Take 2 spoons of desi ghee and add your favorite dry fruit like almond and then just roast it for 1 or 2 minutes almost. It gives crunchy flavor to the cuisine. Now add sugar and melt it properly. Then add milk and semolina mixture. Cook until it's crumbly but not dried. But dry the milk completely. Then, if it doesn't give a good look, you can add the caramel flavor in the final stage because it gives lavish look to the cuisine. Finally, it's ready, and dry fruit gives a tangy flavor. Wow, it looks so crunchy. So now I have a question at the end of the video that you have to write at least one adjective in the comment box so that I can see that you have learned. And don't forget to like and subscribe the video for motivation.